All right, getting your kids excited about math can be tough at times, but thankfully we know someone who can help. Tina standing by with our favorite math teacher, Mom. That's right, Navi Riyar is in the house.
All right. Hi, Navi.
Good morning, Tina.
So Navi's this great teacher who's put programs together.
Yes.
For parents to teach their kids and also teach themselves how to rediscover math.
How do we discover math?
Because as adults, it is hard, like, oh, I can help you, and then by 5th grade, it's like, no, I can't anymore. So we're gonna start with kindergarten.
Kindergarten,
because
yes.
the kids are back in school.
The kids are back in school, and you wanna do things that are hands-on with them, so.
Yep.
I do have my Number Foundations kit, so if parents are interested, I have that available.
Okay, where do you want to start? You want to start on
Let's
this side?
start over here.
Okay.
This is something very simple. A lot of kids struggle with holding a pen, pencil,
When
to
they're that
trace
little,
numbers.
yeah.
Have them take their finger, and all I did was add green and red dots to the
Okay.
number so they know where to start and where to stop.
Green and go. Okay, got it.
It's so easy. These are just index cards with some markers, and now they know to start at the top. Some kids are writing zeros backwards, or they start at the bottom. This just gives them a very visual cue on where to start and stop with their numbers.
What is backwards, though? Because
so
for a left-hander, is it still the same way?
So typically you want to start with the zero. You want to go in this direction.
Go this way, even with their left-hander.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you know what? It's as long as they're writing, they're successful. You don't want to make
Exactly.
it about that.
Okay. What's this one here?
Here's another one. Hands. This is pencil free. And do you want to try this one? We're putting. You have to figure out the before and after. So we've got
I
blank,
see.
and they don't have to do any writing with this. And now they can just put down the numbers. All I did was print out these strips, and they can practice before and after. They can do 2 numbers before, 2 numbers after. Practicing instead of doing these worksheets that can get really boring and mundane for
kids. And
kids.
then you want them to say it.
You absolutely want them to say it.
But also the visual too, so they understand what is 7. It's, you know.
Yeah, we're getting into that with the next activity.
Excellent.
So here, instead of having kids just count out stuff, you want them to create groups themselves.
Okay.
For example, this says equal to. Now, Tina, I want the number of blocks in the blue group to be equal to the number of blocks in the orange group. How would you do that?
2 and 2.
And the great thing about that, I didn't tell you the numbers. You had to think about it yourself, right?
I feel
And that just adds another layer of depth of understanding. So here, and if we flip the card, we have, we want the number of blocks in the blue group to be less than the number of blocks in the orange
already they
group.
have to know less than and more than?
In kindergarten, definitely.
It was forever. It's like, does it point? Does it the fatter part go this way? Okay,
Right.
so then they take away. Got it.
And again, they're using their critical thinking skills to come up with that themselves.
Okay, and what about this one?
Here we
Tell me about your kit.
Yes, so Number Foundations is launching for the last time this year in September, and it won't launch again until next year. So if you're looking for a program that is done for you, you don't have to think about it, and you're a busy parent and you don't know where to start, this is perfect for kiddos ages 4 to 6.
Does this come with it?
It comes with it.
Oh, I love that.
Everything in one nice system, so you don't have to think about anything.
How do they get this?
Send me a message on Instagram, and I'm happy to put them on my list.
Okay, very good. And then it's Math Teacher Mom.
Blog, yes. Math Teacher Mom blog on Instagram.
All right, more exercises to come next hour with Math Teacher Mom, Navi Riyar, and we will be right back.